Record muna.
Buti wala pa po na-solve.
Yun nga eh. So again, for number 3, you just need to show the acid-base reaction for the following substances. Okay? So please take note, you need to show also the curve arrow notations. Sige, you can share now your screen, Josh, so that you can now start to write your answers. For sure naman meron kang copy nito, no? So sa letter A ay ammonium chloride and sodium amide. Excuse po. Yeah. Okay. So 3A, sulat mo muna 3A. I'll just give you siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes for this number, no, number 3. And then we'll proceed with 4 and 5. Kasi si 4 and 5 are medyo related sila sa isa't isa.
Ano? Next one. Oh, wait lang mo. Hindi from tissue.
Okay lang.
Ay, nakaya pala. Okay mo. Ay, clear all drawings pala yun.
Yeah, you make it NH2. Yang.
Nag-ano po na clear all drawings.
Yan. Maganda kasi, yan, iganyan mo siya kasi mag-arrow notation ka pa eh.
When the following are mixed. So, tatlo po?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
no. Ammonia there, the liquid ammonia there is just your solvent. It's your media.
Kala ko maybe ammonia would participate.
So what will happen now? Label first which one is your acid or base. So that you can decide for your electrophile and nucleophile.
Ah, ah.
Continue. Oh, continue mo lang ha. Label first acid and base so that you'll be guided. Siyempre, usually, ang mga bases, siya yung electrophiles mo. What's the next step there? You can now predict your products.
Wow. Wow, it's a there are two distinct molecules mo. One of them is NH3.
We'll see.
The other one is NH3. So they
We'll
will
see if
so
that's
they will
correct.
bond. So they will bond and form this compound.
No.
And 2H6 mo.
Hydrazine, no? Yung N2H4. Tama ba? Hydrazine.
Hindi kaya po posible yun.
Hindi niya kaya. Though pwede naman kasi kaso lang magiging ammonium yung nitrogen mo doon. Parehas sila. So magbe-break apart din yan. Napaka-unstable. Hydrazine. Alam ko hydrazine yung N2H4 eh. Yeah, N2H4 hydrazine.
Why did I put Na?
Hmm. Just continue that, Josh, ha? Number two is you have NaOH and that compound. So I'll not tell you kung anong compound yan.
Why not po?
Hey, you are supposed to know that already
It's
because you can actually draw already functional groups, no? Especially isomeric pa nga eh.
I totally
You're
don't
really
know.
good in you're really good in proposing isomeric compounds. Anyway, sobra yan, Josh. That carbon, yung tertiary carbon mo, it's now directly bonded to OH, not CH2OH. Di ba? Oh, you try to understand their structure. Yan, you analyze the structure. The carbon, the tertiary carbon is directly bonded to your OH, not to CH2OH.
What's supposed to be even happening?
So double check the structure. Sige. Just continue, Josh, CDE ha. Hanggang E pa pala yan. Okay? So, quick ano lang ako, quick CR lang. So, hopefully, when I'll get back, you're done already.
Fake. Huh? Strange. Oh.
Dan Josh?
Teka lang po, ano pong isomer yung ano? Yung may sulfur po.
Benzene sulfonic acid.
Opo. Ano pong isomer?
Anong isomer? C6H5 lang din siya. So, benzene, then may naka-attach na SO3H.
Ah, so like literally as it says po.
Yup, mhm. Ganun na ganun.
Ah,
Sige,
okay.
can you propose muna a structure for that? Oh, i-move mo na lang yung letter D. Move letter D. Uh, Move letter D. Yeah, the whole thing. Down. Okay lang yan. Wow, nice.
Surgery.
Mhm. Try to move letter C as well. Kasi you'll draw, ano pa eh, you'll draw curve arrow notation. I'll give you another 5 minutes to finish this, ha? Pati ENF pa, continue lang. How about E and F?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. How about the E and F? So for letter E, you need to react CH3, CH2 lithium. So ethyl lithium yan in hexane and ethyne. So hexane there is just a solvent. Then for letter F, acetone and sulfuric acid will react with one another. So ano kaya magiging reaction?
Mm. Something, sus. Kasi baka, doesn't look like react ko ba? Aha.
Oh, are you sure that's the positive one? Please take note, Josh, that alkyl, that ethyl lithium is partnered with lithium. So lithium is a metal, you know that already.
Ah, lithium plus. Hexane po yung react.
Mhm. No, of course, hexane there is just the solvent. You want to try to react ethyne with ethyl lithium.
So kailangan po
You want to try to react, ha? So sa D and E, parehas ethyne yung reactant mo. So what's ethyne? Ayan, butane yan. Kapag binasa mo yan, butane yan.
Wait,
Ethyne. Sige,
ethyne.
tama yun. Pwede naman yun. CC, then HH. Lalagyan mo lang ng HH sa dulo. That
Siya
will
po,
be ethyne
matapag
already.
na lang po.
Ay, bahala ka. Kaso lang, hindi mo makikita yung hydrogen. So, you need to indicate there the hydrogen atoms. Okay lang naman yan. Yun nga lang, where are the hydrogen atoms?
Nasa nasa iba po silang universe. Wait, ah, hydrogen atoms po.
Mhm. Okay, well, how about E and F? Yes, what's the reaction for letter E and F, Josh?
So, reaction yata po to. Ay, lumasa na ba? Posible po na may mga strange reactions pag nasa certain
Mhm.
conditions. Yung mga things na base reacts with
Yes,
base.
of course. So, meron. Actually, meron laging byproducts yan. Pero what we can expect, minimal yung ano nila, concentration. Ayaw mo naman kasi yung ano mo, parang side reaction mo, yun yung magiging main product. You don't want that. So, you will not have a high yield for your target compound. Okay, for the last one, acetone and sulfuric acid. Which one will be the acid and which one will be the base? O ang medyo may kulang ka pa diyan ha. Actually hindi medyo. May mga kulang ka pa because you're not indicating which will be your conjugate acid, conjugate base.
Ba't pa eh? Yung question
It's
mo.
included in the instruction.
Ha? Oh no. Teka lang. Acetone tsaka ano mo? Sulfuric.
Yeah, acetone and sulfuric.
Alam ko po, nag-form to ng cyclic ah. Hmm, paano kaya yung ano, arrow pushing nito? Parang sobrang hirap kaya na itong arrow pushing nun. Di ba mo? Parang di ba nagko-form po siya ng parang something na ganito? Parang ganito. Yung acetone. Di ba mo?
Oh, you try. You propose.
Okay.
Pero ayan, ang sinasabi ko acid-base lang iyan.
Kasi na may plata mo. Ano po yung label to? Both sila
Hmm.
conjugate acid and base.
No initial reaction. Again,
Di ba mo?
conjugate acid, conjugate base. Yeah. So it means your ammonia will be okay. And yeah, continue.
Nakatama pa yung spelling.
We'll see later if that is correct. Don't forget also to include the acid and base, ha?
Do you write molecular formulas like this po?
Hmm?
Do you write molecular formulas like this po?
We'll see. Mm-hmm. Okay, where are the others?
Mm,
Kasi no reaction ka naman sa lahat.
mm,
Why no initial reaction? Are you sure?
I'm sure po na they make a reaction and they form the funny compound.
Mesitylene yan eh.
But I'm not sure how.
So you can propose a reaction mechanism when we go to benzene ring o kaya at any other
Sige po, lalagay ko po
mechanism,
sa
reaction mechanism.
I will bookmark this ano po, this recording para pag umabot na po sa cyclicity, gagawa po ako ng ano.
Mechanism. Oh, sige. Okay. So if that will be your answer, so final answer na ba yan, Josh? We can now check this one. Final answer na?
Nope. Hindi mo po final answer that.
Sa D, E, F, pwede mo naman sila indicate kung sino yung mga acid and bases mo. I think that's your final answer already so that we can check this one, this item.
Yes, final
Final,
answer. Siguro. Wait lang. Except tong acetone.
final answer na. How about the other two items, D and E?
Wait lang po. Isipin ko lang po kung kaya.
What happened to that HC, yung sa E, tapos may hydrogen? Ano nakaband sa sulfur dun sa baba? Letter E and F, between E and F. There you go. Oh. Okay, so I think we can now check this
Ito
one,
po.
no? Because you already wrote no reactions for D, E, and F. Okay. Let's start first with letter A. So actually, your letter A is correct. So this is easy, no? So your ammonium ion will be your acid, and then your amide ion will be your base. So basically, your amide ion will have two lone pairs. So this lone pair will attack this hydrogen from your ammonium, and then to form ammonia, two molecules of ammonia. So correct yan. Yung sa letter B, here comes the dilemma for letter B. So your letter B, your base is OH minus. Joshua, don't get me wrong, hydroxide is a really strong base, no? So actually, it's the strongest base in water according to our analytical chemistry discussion. However, sino yung acid mo? Your acid is what? What kind of alcohol is this again, Josh?
Uh, it's some sort of acid.
What
Uh,
kind of acid is that again?
an alcohol?
Alcohol. And what type of alcohol?
Mm, isa
So, check mo yung carbon directly bonded to OH and then count the alkyl groups attached to your carbon. That will be the type of your alcohol.
okay. Yun nga po yung sad reality dun.
This is
Ako
a,
po.
what type of alcohol again? So, count mo lang yung alkyl
Oh,
groups.
okay. It's a tertiary alcohol.
Okay, so this is a tertiary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol are actually bulky, no? So if you will notice, pag gagawa natin yan ng molecular model, so ito yung carbon mo, and then this is O, then H, no? Carbon, O, then H. And then this one will have a metal group here, then another metal group, then another metal group. So these are really bulky substituents, no? So ang bulky making your OH here quite difficult to access, no? So even though your hydroxide is a strong base, no? It's actually a strong base. However, yung OH mo kasi ay a very weak, very, 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 very weak acid, no? So, and it's a tertiary alcohol. So therefore, this letter B, Josh, will have no reaction dapat. So this is no reaction.
Why?
So, yeah, no reaction 'yan. Dahil hindi kayang ma-access ng OH minus mo yung H na nandun sa alcohol due to the bulkiness of your tertiary alcohol. And aside from that, it's a very weak acid, no? So, you
Kasi
need a
that's
stronger base to do that. So, but usually kasi mga tertiary alcohol, sobrang hinang acid talaga niyan, no? They're quite
really
unreactive
fake po. That's
already.
really fake.
Mhm. So they're quite unreactable already, but it doesn't necessarily mean na wala na silang reactions. However, OH minus cannot actually remove hydrogen from your tertiary alcohols. So no reaction dapat. So sa letter B mo, 0 out of 2 ka. How about letter C? So sa letter C, actually, kuha mo ito. Correct. This is 2 out of 2. Kasi correct, no? Yung OH mo, dahil siya yung base,
Tapos yung
it
zero
will
out of
react
six
with
ko.
your...
Zero out of six.
Mhm.
Plus mo. Zero out of
We'll
six.
see, we'll see. So this is out of 12, no? So far, you're 4 out of 12 na. So this is correct. So this OH minus here will attack this acidic hydrogen in your benzene sulfonic acid. And then, magiging conjugate base na lang ito, si benzene sulfonate. Okay? That's correct. And then this is your conjugate acid is your water. Okay? Next, sa letter D naman, wow, this is actually nice. No? Ang letter D, actually tama ang sagot mo. No reaction ito, no? Kasi si ethyne ay a very weak acid even though this ethoxide ba to or propoxide? Propyloxide ba to? Ah, so, hindi ko rin alam yung ano eh. Propyl ba to? Propyl oxide. Yep. Oh, ethoxide lang ito, Josh. CH3CH2O eh. Oh, mali pa yung letter D mo sa pag-drawing. Ethoxide lang dapat. So, kulang. So, burahin mo to. Yeah, burahin mo yung dulo. Kasi CH3CH2O minus lang yan eh. Should be, ayan, ganyan lang siya. So, no reaction ito. Sige, 2 out of 2 yan. Kaso lang hindi mo kasi nilagay kung sino yung acid at base. So, sinong acid at base yan? Sige, I'll let you redeem yourself for this item lang. Okay, for this item only, Josh, which one will be the acid or base? And then let's analyze bakit hindi nag-work yung reaction or yung acid-base reaction mo. Sige, go ahead, Josh. Which one is the acid? Which one is the base? The ethoxide or the ethyne?
Hmm, ito dapat.
Mhm.
Yung ano po, yung ethyl.
Yeah. Which one is, sino si ethyne? Acid or base?
Base.
Oh, then write it. Write it down. Para lang bigyan kita lang ng, redeeming era for this one. That is your base, and then that's your acid. Sure?
Hmm,
Are we now sure with that?
ilan po?
So you analyze. Which one can lose hydrogen? Kasi kung sino yung nakakawala ng hydrogen, pwedeng, siya yung acid. Siyempre kasi, yun yung i-give up niya. Proton donor siya, di ba? Yes, Josh? What's your answer? Oh, acid-base lang ito. Just identify, Josh, kung sino yung acid and base. Oh, depende yan sa sagot mo kung maminusan kita or hindi. Nabigyan na kita ng 2 out of 2 pero
Oh,
burahin mo muna.
no.
Kasi tama ka, no reaction yan. That's a no reaction. Just
Ah,
try it. Which one is the acid, which one is the base?
kaya nga po good question eh. Kasi yung ethyl, mas marami siyang electrons.
Mhm. And I'm always telling you that multiple bonds are also good nucleophiles, no? Kasi nga electron
Is it
rich.
good enough?
However, i-check mo rin kung sino yung kasama ba ni ethyne. So, si ethyne ay partnered or will be reacting with an ethoxide. So, ayan. Tingin mo. So, which one is the acid, which one is the base? Sige, go ahead, Josh. So that we can move on with the next items. 4 and 5. Okay, are you really sure with that? Iba yan yung sagot mo sa kanina.
Ilan mo? Yung yung oxygen. Okay. Naman. Sige, mag-base na lang ako sa mas maraming electrons.
Mhm.
Yan po.
Okay. So the answer for this is, dahil no reaction ka naman din and meron ka na ring acid and base, of course, 1 out of 2 ka na lang. Ito ang base mo, Josh. Sorry, this is your base. And ethyne will be your acid. So your ethyne kasi can lose this
Kasi impossible po.
hydrogen. Yeah. Either of these two hydrogen, Josh, acidic yung mga yan. So therefore, acid si ethyne, then base yung ethoxide. However, Josh, no, similar with with letter B. So sa letter B, don't get me wrong again, ethoxide is actually a strong base. However, kahit stronger base siya, no, or is a strong base, hindi enough yung strength niya ng basicity to remove the acidic hydrogen from your ethyne. So, this one is a very weak acid kasi. So, yung alkynes natin, they're actually terminal alkynes. They're really weak acid. So, therefore, they need to react with a very strong base. So, katulad nito, ang tamang sagot natin, no reaction. However, base dapat sa ethoxide and acid sa ethyne. Okay, so sa letter E, so syempre, mali na to, no? So, 0 out of 2 ka na rin dito. So, tingin mo sa letter E. Sige nga, Josh. Kasi dahil mali ka naman sa letter E, can you do the arrow curve notation for letter E? So, ayan, tama. Si ethyl lithium yan, di ba? So, si ethyl group mo, yan, yung ethyl carbon ion, okay, good. Then, may bond yan, di ba? Okay, good. So, burahin mo na yung no reaction. Kisan ko lang tong no reaction. No! Kisan ko lang tong no reaction. Oh, hindi. Wag mo burahin yan. Mali. Mali ka naman talaga dyan eh. Kisan ko lang siya. Tapos, ngayon, dito sa space na yan, the preceding space, you can write the product. So, what are the products? Ayun. So, naging, ano na yung sagot mo dyan? Uy, propane, ano ba yan? Di ba epoxide, ay ano lang yan, ethyl lithium. Josh, ethyl lithium, not ano, not propyl lithium. Ethyl lithium lang. Pati yung sa original mo. Oy, hindi. Punta ka sa original mo. Sa reactants yan, ethyl lithium. Bura, okay. So, siya ngayon, CH2 negative. So, kinuha mo yung isang hydrogen kay ethyne. So, ano mangyayari? What will be formed? O,
Mm,
kinuha mo na yung hydrogen kay alkyne.
maano na siya? Ganyan na po siya.
Hindi Hindi, tingnan mo yung ano muna, yung ethyl lithium mo. Ethyl carbon ion. Kasi wala na si lithium. Si lithium naman, soluble yan. Li plus yan eh. 'Di ba? So once you tignan mo yung reaction mo. Your ethyl carbon ion reacted with ethyne wherein the carbon ion removed the hydrogen from your ethyne. So ano na ngayon yung ethyl lithium mo? Yung ethyl carbon ion mo?
Neutral.
Naging ilan na yung hydrogen?
H3.
CH3 na and that will be kompleto na siya. Hindi.
Tingnan mo,
CH3 na
tingnan
yun
mo.
eh. Right? It's a CH3 already. So
Opo.
ano na yan? Anong nabuo? Oh, hindi. Tatlo yan. Two
Tang,
carbon ka na.
tang, tang. Ano po, may kailangan po sa mga drawing structures.
Oo. Kaya very careful ka dyan. Ako very particular ako dyan. Ethane ngayon ang nabubuo. So actually, that portion is, or this part is one of the ano to, no? Formation ng alkanes, no? So imaginein mo um, from Grignard reagent kasi or lithium reagents kasi ang tawag siya ano. So, from that lithium reagent mo no or metallo-organic, you now form an alkane no, ethane. And then that's correct. So, ito ang mangyayari, you form the acetylide ion. So, this is your acetylide ion. Acetylide. Okay. So, yun nga lang, tama din yung arrow mechanism mo. Yun nga lang, mali kasi yung reaction mo or yung answer mo previously. So, zero ka dyan. Then finally, sa letter F, this is also 0 out of 2. Of course, may reaction yan dyan, Josh. So, what will be the reaction? So, tama ka naman. Acid, si sulfuric acid and basic acetone this time. So, this time, kung basic acetone, Josh, which one will be your electron-rich atom? Kasi sa kanya manggagaling yung electron pairs eh. Again, which part of your acetone, Josh, is electron rich?
Yung oxygen po.
Yung oxygen. So tama itong ginawa mo kanina. So yung lone pair ni oxygen, i-attack niya yung hydrogen, acidic hydrogen ni sulfuric acid. And then, ibibigay ito papunta dito. Sige nga, can you give me the products? So, kisan ko lang ulit to. So, 0 out of 2 ka naman na eh. Give me the products or draw the products, Josh, for the reaction of acetone and sulfuric acid. Mhm. O, isa na lang yung lone pair, double bond pa rin siya. Oh, double bond pa rin yan. Oh, ano na mangyayari? Meron kang, uy, kulang. Hindi. Tingnan mo, anong ginawa ni oxygen? Ah! Oh,
Okay, okay.
tingnan mo yung arrow notation mo. Ayun, may hydrogen ka na. So, isa na lang yung lone pair. So, ano na ngayon yung charge ni hydrogen? Ay, ni oxygen? Okay, oxonium ion na yan. Kasi triple bond siya eh. May isang hydrogen, then may naka-double bond sa carbonyl, no? So, okay, good. Or you just form H2SO3. Ay, sorry, HSO3, no? Tama ba? ay SO4 pala. HSO4 minus, no? Bisulfate. So you now have bisulfate. Ito, lalagyan mo lang siya ng negative. Okay, so your score here will be 2 out of 2, 4, 5, 5 out of 12. No? So, okay lang yan kasi nga, reaction sama na tayo. So, 5 out of 12 ang iyong sagot or iyong score, no? Number 3, 5 out of 12. Okay, numbers. This time, Josh, numbers 4 and 5 naman tayo. So, that's good. That's your, ano no, whiteboard. But this time, you answer in this, ano na lang, screen, no? Okay. Ano ko lang siya. Ayan. So for number 5, Josh, ay number 4 rather, for number 4, Josh, arrange the following compounds in order of decreasing acidity. Please take note, Josh, ha? Decreasing acidity ang nakalagay dito. So you start first with the most acidic compound followed by the intermediate acidity, then the least acidic. Kasi decreasing acidity eh. Then for number 5 naman, so you have, for number 4, you have three sets of acids there, no? So, paano mo i-arrange or compounds or chemical species, paano mo i-arrange yung acidity nila? So, the fifth one naman, instead of acidity, we now arrange the following compounds in order of increasing basicity. No? So, dapat increasing basicity na naman this time. So, you have four sets of compounds there or chemical species. Just arrange them in increasing basicity. So, increasing basicity, start first with the least basic, intermediate basic, and then the strongest or the most basic chemical species. Sige, go ahead. You can answer dun sa space given, no, for each item. Okay. Go ahead, Josh. Answer now 4 and 5. Answer ng 4 and 5.
Mhm.
Yan, good. Diyan ka na mag-answer. Then continue that. Increase, Josh, please use greater than and less than symbols there. Kasi decreasing yan eh. So you start first with the most acidic, intermediate acidity, then the least acidic. Yan, ganyan. Good.
Pwede kaya po ganito?
Sige, pwede. Maglagay ka ng XYZ for the different compounds. So same din sa B, sa number 5 ACCT. Okay, you're done. Wait lang, Josh, ha? How about your answer sa letter C and then number 5?
Mhm.
Letter C pa for number 4 and then number 5, A to D. Yeah. So, decreasing acidity yan, ha? Again, you start first with the most acidic one, then followed by the intermediate acidity, then next will be the last will be the least acidic. For number 5 naman, increasing basicity. You start first with the least basic, and then intermediate basicity, then the most basic. So sa number 4, Josh, ha, pinaka-acidic ang start. Kasi decreasing acidity eh. You start first with the most acidic one, followed by the intermediate acidity, then the least acidic.
Ah, yung mga interfere tong chlorine. Ah,
Yes, Josh, how about number 5? So
Ay,
that
ay
we can
manalo
move
po.
on with this one.
Medyo suspicious po to.
So again for number 4, ika-clarify ko lang. For number 4, dahil decreasing acidity, you start first with the most acidic one, followed by the intermediate acidic or medium acidic, and then least acidic. And then for number 5 naman, baliktad, increasing basicity. So you start first with the least basic, and then um, intermediate basicity, and then the most basic one. Okay, how about the your next na next item.
Ha, mas madali, yun pa yung good question.
Mm. Yung mga next item mo na. Okay, so that we can check your answers now. And we can move on with number 6. O, dalawang items na lang yan. Ayan yung Josh, yung letter D, gawin mo na ng XYZ. Lagyan mo ng XYZ yung mga cyclohexane rings.
Sige po.
Pero yung third one, you can write their structures.
Para lang maano po, para iba-iba.
Yeah.
Hindi ano.
Sige, go ahead, go ahead. And then finalize your answers, kung yan na yung pinaka-final answer mo. Final answer mo na yan, Josh?
Teka lang po.
Oh, you tell me if that's your final answer. Final answer na yan, Josh? Sige, para at least we can
Po,
check
final
na.
answer.
Ha?
Sige po, final answer.
Okay, sige po. Parang napilitan ka. Okay, sige. The fourth one, number 4, arrange the following compounds in order of decreasing acidity. So I'll give 1 point for each for each letter. So kapag may mali ka ng arrangement kagad, you'll lose the item already. So for letter A, Josh, tingnan mo, sinong pinaka-acidic sa tatlo? Sino lang ang pwedeng tanggalan ng hydrogen? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Sige nga,
Opo.
sinong pwede lang tanggalan ng hydrogen? Can you remove this hydrogen? Can you remove this
From
hydrogen
ethyl,
or
from
can you
ano po,
remove this
from
hydrogen?
methyl, from methyl.
From it, your hydrogen in your metal can be removed, easily removed.
Opo.
Decreasing acidity to ha. So ibig sabihin, pinaka-acidic mo si propane.
Opo.
You can easily remove the hydrogen in propane.
Hindi pa po?
Yeah, hindi talaga. Kasi lahat yan single bond eh. Sigma bonds yung mga yan lahat, Josh. So, tsaka tingnan mo, sino lang ang nagre-react sa mga strong base? Very strong base. Si alkyne. So, dapat propine ang pinaka-acidic. Baliktad ka. So,
Tapos
yeah.
po basic.
This one is yes, this is the most acidic. Most acidic. And this is the least acidic. Pabaliktad yan. Okay? So, mali ka kagad dito. 0 out of 1. Next. How about this one? So, ang pinaka-acidic mo, correct. Ang pinaka-acidic mo dito, yung OH2+. This is correct. However, Josh, sino mas acidic? Ether or alcohol? Check mo. Kasi
Alcohol.
kapag acidity, di ba? Kapag acidity, Josh, you look for hydrogen that can be easily removed. Kasi yun nga yung most acidic hydrogen mo eh. Ibig sabihin nun, madaling matanggal. Right? So, which hydrogen can be easily removed? Coming from an ether or coming from an alcohol? Sino mas madaling matanggal? Yung hydrogen. Kasi mas acidic siya pag ganun.
From an alcohol.
Okay, so I don't know bakit naging ether yung sagot mo, then alcohol yung last mo. And in fact, ang mga alcohol in general, Josh, ay acidic din in nature. So, yan. Least acidic dapat si ether. So, mali ka dito sa positioning na to. So, 0 out of 1 pa rin. Next, ito yung susunod. CH3CH2OH, which is correct, alcohol ito. Kasi alcohol versus carboxylic acid eh. So, sino ang mas acidic, Josh? Alcohol or carboxylic acid? Of course, it's the carboxylic acid. Nakakahiya naman kay carboxylic acid if it's not acidic, right? So, ang susunod kasing question, Josh, may dalawa kang carboxylic acid. So, you have this plain carboxylic acid. It's the usual one. You have the propanoic acid. And then the second one will be chloropropanoic acid. So, 2-chloropropanoic acid. So, Josh, babalik tayo ngayon. Sino ang mas acidic? Yung merong halogen or yung walang halogen? Ano nga ulit ginagawa kapag anong ginagawa ng halogen kapag nandun siya? Halogen is what? Electronegative or electropositive? Halogens mo, Josh.
Halogen, ano po sila? Electronegative.
So if they're electronegative, what will happen to your electrons? They will be pulled towards them or pulled away from them. So what will happen to your electrons in a bond? Are the electrons being pulled towards your halogens or being pulled away from them? Ano yan? Inductive effects din.
In, ano po, yung mapapul ni chlorine yung yung electrons from.
Kapag ganun, Josh, ano mangyayari sa acid mo? Stronger or weaker? Kasi kinukuha pala ni chlorine eh. Can you easily give up the hydrogen there? Ito ngayon yung mga acidic hydrogens mo eh. Ito for propanoic acid and ito for 2-chloropropanoic acid. Can you now easily give up this hydrogen? Or in what compound you can easily give up hydrogen? Yung may chlorine or wala?
Yung may chlorine po.
O edi dapat siya ang pinaka-acidic. Ito dapat. Naku, wala ka nakuha dito. This one is the most acidic. And then this will have an intermediate acidity. So 0 out of 1 ka din. So balikan mo to ha yung mga topics na ito. Inductive effects, resonance. Those are the things that will dictate no acidity and basicity. Okay? So let's now move on with basicity naman no. So check naman natin sa basicity. So which one will be basic? Increasing. Okay, very good. Ammonium ion ito, no? So ammonium mo to eh, CH3NH3+. So acidic yan. Then susunod will be NH2. Very good. Amine lang siya. And then yung last one is an amide, no? So NH minus yan. Nakalimutan mo lang sulat. Sige, accepted naman, NH minus. Wow. So, eto, nakuha mo to. 1 out of 1. So, na explanation needed because si ammonium talagang pinaka-acidic followed by an amine, neutral amine, and then NH minus or you have an amide then, metal amide, no? As your most basic um, chemical species. And then, ang susunod naman natin, sinong pinaka-basic dito, no? So, ang pinaka-basic mo dyan, ang least basic rather, ay, sino kaya ang least basic? O, ayan, tignan mo. Tignan mo ngayon to, Josh. Babalikan ko ha. Sa taas, sa letter A, sino ang pinaka-acidic mo ulit? Letter A, 4A. Which one is your most acidic compound?
Uh, 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 si, ano po, si NH3+. Ay, si
4A, 4A.
4A. Si, ano po, si
Alkane, alkene, alkyne.
ethyl.
It's not ethine, it's propine. Propine.
Propyl.
Okay. So, alkyne ang pinaka-acidic. So, kung siya ang pinaka-acidic, Josh, pag bumuo ka ng conjugate base, ano yung mabubuo niyang conjugate base? That's the most acidic, ha? So, ano mabubuo niyang conjugate base? Strong or weak?
Weak.
Oh. Yun, baliktad din. Dapat, ito ang weakest mo. Tsaka negative yan. May ano siya. This will be the weakest base. Kasi 'di ba, yun ang rule, the strongest acids will produce the weakest bases and the strongest bases will produce the weakest acids. So, sino ba yung strongest, yung weakest acid mo? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Sino yung weakest acid mo, Josh, sa 4A?
Mm,
Alkene, alkene, alkyne. Sige, go ahead. Weakest acid, Josh.
alkaline po yung weakest na
Hmm,
base.
alkane, alkene, alkyne, strongest
Alkane.
acid. 4A muna.
Alkane.
Alkane ang ano, strongest or weakest? Acid. Acidity ang pinag-uusapan mo na.
Strongest po, strongest.
Strongest what? Strongest acid? Alkane?
Weakest acid po siya.
Weakest acid. Kung weakest acid si alkane, pag naging conjugate base siya, anong ipoproduce siyang conjugate base? Strong or weak?
Ah, so weak
Oh,
po yung,
pay
so weak po,
attention muna.
strong
Sabi
yung
mo, si
lalabas.
alkane ang weakest acid. So, kapag bubuo siya ng conjugate base, ano, strong or weak?
Strong, strong yung, yung ano na, relatively strong yung conjugate base.
Very good. And in fact, siya dapat ang strongest base mo. So itong second one mo, Josh, ito ang strongest base. Tapos, intermediate in strength lang tong alkene mo, no? So, lagyan mo ng negative. Hindi mo sinusundan yung mga ano, binibigay. No, may mga negative yan eh. Negative, negative, then negative. Okay? So, how about letter C? So, sino kaya ang strongest base and weakest base, no? So, among the three, ano ito, no? Ang labanan natin dito ngayon yung mga sa elements. Kung nasaan ang oxygen, nasaan ang negative charge. Ngayon, Josh, babalik ako. Ang alkane ay strong or weak acid? Alkanes. Lahat single bonds. Strong or weak acids? O, ayan, babalik ulit yung tanong ko. Yes, Josh, ano siya? Strong or weak acid?
Strong acid.
Oh, alkanes!
Alkane pala yung weakest, yung ethane yung strongest, diba?
Oo. So, ang alkanes, in general, ano sila? Strong or weak?
Alkanes.
Mhm. Single
Uh,
bond lahat.
so in terms of basicity naman,
Hindi, oo. Kasi nga, marirelate natin siya sa basicity.
strong base po.
Strong base ang mabubuo niya. Very good. Kasi weak acids ang mga alkene. So, when you have the conjugate base, it's a really strong base. Dapat siya ang pinaka-strongest kagad. Ito ang strongest mo, Josh. So, ang ginawa mo, ito yung weakest mo. So, actually, ang answer mo, baliktad. Ito ang strongest base. Baliktad lang siya. Strongest base. And ito ang weakest base. Yung may oxygen, Josh, siya ang may weakest base. Siya ang weakest base, no? Among the given chemical species, no? Or given ions. Of course, madali na lang yung D. Sige nga yung D, Josh. Bigyan kita ulit ng chance dito. So, 0 out of 1 ka sa B, 0 out of 1 ka sa C. Sige, answer letter D. Sige, I'll give you a minute for this. Is that your final answer for letter D? Arrange in increasing basicity. Yung mga may cyclohexanes. Sige, arrange in ano, increasing basicity. Ayan, kasi alam mo na yan. So, magkakaroon ka na ng idea. And then tell me if that is your final answer.
Final na po.
Okay, okay, good. Ang pinaka-weakest base mo ay ito, yung may triple bond. Kasi siya yung strongest acid mo eh, no? Na pinanggalingan niya, strongest acid yan. So, siya ang weakest base. Followed by your alkene, and then this will be your strongest base. 1 out of 1. Okay? So far, for numbers 4 and 5, for number 4, 0 out of 3 ka. Whew, ang sad. For number 4, 0 out of 3. Uy, Josh ha, please take note, ang mga acidity dito sa organic, yung mga acidity, basicity, it's a very usual question. A very usual question in organic chemistry. That's the reason why ang dami kong binibigay sa yung mga ganitong problems. No? So you need to be familiar with this. Then sa number 5 mo ay 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4 ka. Dahil binigyan pa kita ng chance dun sa number 5, no? Okay, let's proceed with number 6 already. So, number 6. So, clear ko lang lahat ng drawings, because we'll be moving on with number 6 already. So, ano ba tong tanong sa number 6? Para makadami tayo ngayon. Kasi gusto ko next week, Josh, start na tayo ng um, Anakem ulit. Okay? So, sabay na yun, Anakem and organic. Ayan. The compound that right has below pala to, no? The compound below has, for obvious reasons, been given the trivial name. Tingnan mo yung trivial name niya, Josh. Very you. Squaric acid.
It's a very,
It's a
mm,
very you name.
it's a name that's it's a truthless name.
It's not really obvious why it's squaric acid, right? So, anyway, squaric acid is a diprotic acid. When you say diprotic acid, ano nga ulit meaning nun? Diprotic acid. It means you have what, Josh?
You have two protons.
Okay, good. You have two acidic hydrogens, no? So with both protons being more acidic than acetic acid, imaginein mo pa, Josh, no? Yung dalawang protons niya, mas acidic pa siya sa acetic acid. So in the dianion obtained after the loss of both protons, all of the carbon-carbon bonds are the same length. So, ayun, no? Kapag natanggal na daw dyan, Josh, yung hydrogen, yung dalawang hydrogen mo, acidic hydrogen atoms, lahat, bigla, no? Bigla, lahat ng carbon bonds mo ay magiging same length, as well as the carbon-oxygen bonds. So, provide a resonance explanation for this. Pwede mong sagutan yan dito. Ayan. So, feeling ko abot tayo hanggang item 7. Sige, go ahead, Josh. So, give me the resonance structures. Yun yung shortcut. So, give me the resonance structures for
Resonance structure for ano po?
for that one. Pero dapat naka-dianion form na, ha?
Hindi po allowed yung ano, sabihin hindi po allowed yung ano, yung ano, tawag doon? Hindi po
Mm.
siya allowed yung mga constitutional. No?
Wala, hindi. Hindi allowed ang constitutional isomer. Resonance structures lang ang hinihingi ko. Pwede mo na dyan ipakita. Hindi, ang gagawin mo diyan, Josh, naka-dianion form na. Kasi kapag naka-dianion form, Josh, doon mo mapapakita lahat ng carbon-carbon bonds at carbon-oxygen bonds ay equal in length. Okay, go ahead. You start from there. Sa baba ka, wait lang. Mhm.
Seems like it makes sense naman po.
Pakita mo yung arrow pushing kasi hindi ko naiintindihan 'yan kapag ganyan. Very important yung arrow pushing.
Dianayin ko lang po siya muna.
Tsaka pakita mo kung ilang resonance structures ang
Hindi gagawin ko
kaya
lang
mo
muna
mabuo.
yan. Tapos wait. Kailangan yata po, pwede ba po yan muna? Tanggalin ko po muna to.
Sige, go ahead. Tsaka
Sige.
ilan yung magiging ang tanong ko kasi diyan, Josh, ah, ilan ang resonance structures mo?
Bakit ko man? Wait, magawa ko po siya ng mas convenient. Mahilig na po ako sa mga electrons. Tapos
Okay, so ilan na yung nabubuo mo?
ay, ito pala. Kasi maliit naman po si squaric acid, 'di ba po?
Mhm.
So siguro posible po yung mga yan, yung mga great jumps.
O, dalawa pa lang yan. Pero mali yung arrow pushing mo lang. Wait, wait lang. Ika-correct na kaagad kita. Sa bond mo ibibigay yung lone pair. Tama naman yung ginawa mo. Sige, tulungan lang kita dito lang ha sa part na ito, sa una lang. Tama yung ginawa mo dito. So, let's say, di ba tatlo to? One, two, three, correct?
Opo.
So, itong lone pair na to, dapat dito lang sa bond, Josh. Sige nga, dito mo lang ilalagay yung arrow. Dito mo itapat sa gitna ng bond. Sa gitna lang siya ng bond, Josh. Sige, i-correct mo ito. O, in-erase ko na yan. Ayan. O, in-erase ko na. Sa gitna lang ng bond. Oh, hindi! No, dun sa carbon-oxygen bond. O sige, ito ha. Ayan. Yan, good. Tapos, syempre masasobrahan yung carbon na yan, no? So, yung carbon na may double bond, i-give up niya, ibibigay niya ngayon doon saan mo ililipat? Sa oxygen na kabila? Hindi, no? Kasi full na yung oxygen. Doon sa ganito. So, di ba, ito, masasobrahan to, di ba, this carbon, Josh? O, listen. Correct? Magiging 5 to eh, right?
Opo.
So, itong band na to, Josh, yung double band, i-move mo ngayon dito. Ayan, ganyan siya ha. So, now, what will happen to this bond, Josh? Sa carbon na to, magiging ilan na siya? Hindi, ilang bonds na ang carbon mo? Double bond na. Eh, may double bond ka pa, tapos may single bond ka pa sa baba. So, ilan na? 5 lahat. So, of course, can't be, right? So, ngayon, i-give up niya yung double bond, then bigay ngayon kay oxygen. You will now form a new um, resonance. Ito, yung drawing mo. Tama to. Ngayon, buburahin ko lang yung mga araw-araw mo kasi hindi maayos yung pagkakadrawing ng araw eh. lagyan mo ng mga lone pairs yung oxygen. O, tulungan kita sa mga lone pairs. So, 1, 2, ayan. O, ngayon, ayan. O, gawa ka ulit ngayon ng another resonance structure. Mag-arrow mechanism ka ulit. Curve arrow notation. O, saan nang gagaling? Wait. Hindi ko na intindihan. Nako. Saan mo ibibigay yung lone pair ni oxygen? Mag-start ka sa umpisa lang.
Dito mo.
Hay, hindi pwede. Malayo yan masyado. Sa band lang. Sa direct band niya. Malayo yun. Hindi pwede yun. Can't be. Yan, o. Eh di magdo-double band yan. O, sa sobra ngayon yung isa. So, i-give up yung double band. Saan magmo-move yung double band? Good. O, ngayon, sa sobra naman yung carbon na yan. Saan ngayon mapupunta? Oh, hindi. Wala. Sinong carbon yung maapektuhan? Ayan. O, ngayon, ano yung mabubuong resonance? Ano mabubuong resonance structure mo dyan?
Hmm,
Tama yan. You're doing good. Nasusundan mo na siya. Okay, nandiyan ang double bond ngayon. O negative yan. Uy, ang pangit ng pagkakadrawing mo. Magre-resonance ka pa ulit dyan eh. Pangatlo pa lang yan.
ay,
Oh,
hindi na talaga po abot. Wait mo. Ayusin ko na po ng graphics ko.
oo. Kung gusto mo dito sa sa right side. Tapos saka tayo bumaba. Okay, okay, bahala ka. Sige, yan na yon. Okay, correct. Ano pa yung isang resonance mo? Kaliwa, sa kanan, ay sa kaliwa, sa baba, sa
Bata,
kanan. So, may isa pa.
sabi ko po, isa na lang po.
Mm-mm. Parehas, dapat yung dalawang double band O ay nasaan? Naka-orient naman sa taas.
Alam ko na po lahat ng resonance structure. I just don't know how to arrow push it into to make it.
Oo. Kaya, bawal yung yung magre-resonance ka, Josh, tapos ilang bonds yung tinatalunan mo. No. Direct lang yung direct band niya lang yung pwedeng bigyan mo kaagad ng electrons. Kasi syempre, you cannot make electrons or force electrons to jump from multiple atoms. Okay, good. Hoy, hindi pwede yan dyan, Josh. Kasi sosobra na yung oxygen mo. Kawawa yung oxygen mo. Saan mo ibibigay ngayon yung double bond? Hindi. Nasa double bond ka na. Tama, nag-start ka dun sa tamang oxygen. Okay, magdo-double bond yan. So, masasobrahan yung carbon na directly attached to your oxygen minus. So, hindi pwede yan. Hindi across. Sa ano lang din, nearby.
Teka po. Dito, sa baba.
Okay. So, ngayon, pag ganyan, so sobra naman yung carbon na nasa baba mo. Tama? So,
So,
kailangan niyang i-give up. Hindi pwede, no?
pagka-external pair lang po siya.
So that carbon will be 5 bonds already. So what bond will be broken? Ayun. And then what will be the final? Okay? O minus, O minus. Ayan, o di ba? Nakikita mo na ngayon yung orientation. So, if you will notice, Josh, your first resonance, your double bond O are on this side, no? Nasa left side. Tapos sa second mo, nasa baba. Tapos nasa right side and then nasa top side. Right? So, if that is the case, Josh, ano masasabi mo sa carbon bond and carbon or oxygen bond? Kasi umiikot naman pala siya eh. Can you give me the resonance hybrid structure for this? Sige nga, propose a resonance hybrid structure for this, Josh. Kasi equal contributors ang mga yan eh. Sige, propose to me the resonance hybrid structure for squaric acid. So wait lang. Erase ko lang tong mga to para at least kita mo. Nabura ko yung isang lone pair. Ay, yung isang electron. Yan. Propose propose to me a structure, hybrid structure for this. Resonance hybrid. Ginawang benzene. Pero pwede naman. Mhm. 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 Astig ilang lone pairs yung mga oxygen mo? Tig ilang lone pairs ang oxygen mo? Okay, dalawa-dalawa. Good. With that resonance hybrid structure, explain now why your squaric acid is literally a square.
Because it's a square. I mean,
No.
yung logic.
No.
I mean,
I will not
logic
accept
acid
that
po is
answer.
called square is not called a square acid because it's a square acid. It's a
No, I
square.
will not accept that answer. Sige. Give me a more logical explanation for that. Why do
And
you
the
have
one
a
it's shaped like a square and there's a square in the middle. So
okay.
it's a square acid.
No. Why do you have a carbon-carbon bond? Carbon-carbon bonds equal in length and the carbon-oxygen bond equal in length.
Ah. So yung question po why is this literally it's 90 to 90 degrees. And
Mm-hmm.
because mhm
Mm-hmm.
um this length is a little shorter,
Mm-hmm. But
but these
upon
are
resonance,
resonance. So they like they localize. So
mm-hmm.
they all equal out kasi they're constantly changing po.
Very good. The
And then,
localization of electrons make their bonds equal in length. No? Kasi supposed to be yung mga double bonds shorter or longer?
lower mo.
Shorter, very good. So parang dapat yung carbon single bond oxygen then negative. It must be longer, right? Kasi short, ano yun eh, single bond lang. But upon delocalization, that carbon single bond oxygen negative will become a double bond then eventually. So making it partial, parang ano siya, no? Partial double bond character. Yun yung tawag natin siya. So each carbon-oxygen bond will have a partial double bond character. Similarly, yung dun sa square mismo, dun sa cyclobutane mo, Josh, each carbon-carbon bond will have a partial double bond character kasi yung double bond umiikot din sa mismong square mo, no? Dun sa cyclobutane ring, no? So, due to the localization of electrons, making your carbon-carbon bonds equal in length as well. So, I'll give you 4 points for this, no? Kasi nga, ito naman yung kailangan lang natin. 4 out of 4 ka dito. Okay? So, record lang natin. Ayan, sakto naman na tayo, no? Ayan, nag-exceed na naman tayo. Sorry, Josh, ano na naman tayo, overtime. So, supposed to be mga dapat 5 o'clock pa lang done na tayo. But,
Please name this acid. It's an acid and it looks like a square. Looks like an acid.
no. Wait, record ko lang yung score mo dito. 4 out of 4. For number 6. Nice. You're doing good. So ngayon, ito ang challenge ko ha. Sa next meeting natin on Tuesday, Josh, definitely we'll finish this one. So wait lang. Clear ko lang yung all drawings. I challenge you to answer 7, 8, and 9, no? 9, 10 ng ahead in time. Lalo na tong 7 kasi really interesting to eh. So, makakamit ka ng mga ganitong problems usually ha sa organic Josh. Yung tipong, kunwari, 7, you have this thiol reacting to this methoxide. You now have letter A and a letter B. Then this letter A will react with an oxirane or epoxide to form C. And then si C magre-react with water to form D and E. So, kailangan mong i-identify sino si A to E, no? So, sa number 8, madali ito. Mabilis natin ito matatapos sa 8, no? Ano lang yung most acidic hydrogen there. Then sa 9, arrow pushing ulit. So sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang dami nating arrow pushing hanggang masanay ka mag-arrow pushing, no? Kasi until now, mukhang hindi ka pa ganun ka-familiar sa arrow pushing. Kasi kung saan-saan mo nilalagay yung mga arrows, no? Joshua, bawal resonance structures and even dun sa arrow pushing, bawal yung mga electrons mo tatalo ng sa same molecule, napakalayong atoms or multiple bonds yung tatalonan niya. No. So, usually yung immediate or adjacent bond or adjacent atom uh, will receive your electron pairs, no? So, then finally, number 10, we have this molecule and then we need to answer lang those questions. Okay? So, mukhang magsiswimming ka pa today. Yeah, madami naman tayong natapos ngayong araw, no? Yeah, more than half na tayo sa practice set number 3 natin. So, parang 3 practice sets actually ang sinasagutan mo. So, kasi nga 3 chapters ang tinapos natin for organic chem. So, on Tuesday, Josh, we'll just finish that one and lahat ng remaining time natin, we'll start now with analytical chemistry. We'll go back sa analytical chemistry. The topic that we'll discuss will be gravimetric chemical analysis. Okay? Sige,
Sige
I'll
po.
see you on Tuesday. See you. Have a great weekend, Josh.
Sige
Swim
po.
ka rin ng maayos.
Sige po.
Okay, sige, sige.
Bye-bye po.
Enjoy.